Hi everyone, welcome back to another new blog. So this blog is all about the Kakochang waterfall near Bokakhat, otherwise known as Kaipholangso waterfall. So before I'll share my journey to that waterfall, I had an incredible experience walking through a tea garden, and I just wanted to share that with you all. So, as I walked along the winding path, I was surrounded by rows upon rows of vibrant green tea plants. The air was fresh and filled with the subtle aroma of tea leaves. Each plant was carefully maintained, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere. The landscape was absolutely stunning. The neat rows of tea plants stretched out as far as the eye could see. It just felt like stepping into a painting. I could not resist touching the leaves and feeling their texture. It made me appreciate the journey of each leaf from plant to teacup even more. Walking through the garden gave me a moment of tranquility and reflection. There was a certain magic in being surrounded by nature's beauty and the quiet industriousness of the tea pickers. It was an experience that truly deepened my appreciation for the art and effort behind every cup of tea. So I have already reached the waterfall. Actually, from Bokakhat town, it's like 13 kilometers away. And just let me tell you about the entry fees. For two-wheeler it is like 30 rupees and for four-wheeler it's 100 rupees. So from the parking area you'll have to trek approximately 4 kilometers to reach the waterfall. And the trek through the forest area to reach the waterfall is an attraction in itself. The best time to visit Kakochang waterfall is during the monsoon or the post-monsoon seasons like June to September, when the waterfall is at its fullest. But it remains accessible and enjoyable during the dry season as well. The Kakochang waterfall cascades down through lush greenery, offering a stunning view and a serene environment. And I must say, it is a popular spot for picnics and day trips. As I earlier said, the trail is about 4 kilometers long and offers a mix of easy and moderate hiking. So, along the way, we are surrounded by dense greenery and the sound of chirping birds and the distant roar of the waterfall. The fresh, cool air was invigorating and kept us energized throughout the trek. So after a long trek, finally reached Kakochang waterfall and the view was breathtaking. The water cascaded down from a great height, creating a mesmerizing scene. The area around the waterfall is quite spacious, from the waterfall was refreshing, especially after the trip. The water was crystal clear and very inviting. If you are into photography, this place offers some fantastic opportunities for capturing nature's beauty. So before wrapping up, let me give you some tips. Please wear comfortable trekking shoes, carry enough water and snacks, and don't forget your camera, and be cautious of the slippery rocks that is near the waterfall. And lastly, respect the natural environment and avoid littering. And that wraps up my visit to Kakochang waterfall. It was an incredible experience, and I highly recommend adding it to your travel bucket list. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such travel vlogs. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next adventure trip. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you for your time.